I did a video a few weeks ago speaking the Somali language in Isli, and the feedback was overwhelmingly positive, especially from the Somalis who are the native speakers of that language. Adbaduma Santihin, that Kego. Thank you very much. That feedback is very important because it helps me to know what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. Many people sought to know, how did I become this good with the Somali language? A disclaimer, I wouldn't describe myself as a fluent, a proficient speaker of the Somali language. I'm still in the initial stages of learning that language. I can speak about what it has taken me to reach this level of mastery. Number one, reading books on the Somali language, and one of the books that I would recommend is by Martin Owen, a British professor who has written a very good book entitled Colloquial Somali. There is another book by David Zock and Abdullahi Isa entitled Somali Textbook, a very, very good book. But one of the things that I've also learned is that just relying on books is not enough. You need to go a step further. And that's by actively interacting with the speakers of the Somali language. I'm lucky in the sense that many of my friends are native Somalis. And when I hear them speak that language, I'm able to understand the various contexts that the words that I've learned in books are used. Another way that has helped me understand or get to know the various contexts that these words that I've amassed are used is watching Somali content on social media, TikTok. I've been watching a lot of Somali skits on TikTok. I've also been watching Somali drama series on YouTube with subtitles, and that has been very, very helpful. How long has it taken me to reach here? I developed an interest in the Somali language 4 years ago, and it's been quite a journey. I'm really, really enjoying the ride. It has not been an easy journey. I wouldn't describe the Somali language as an easy language to learn. It's very taxing. It requires commitment. You have to be passionate about learning it, and I think that explains why 4 years later I'm still trying to master it.